Imagine waking up tomorrow morning to a world that suddenly feels different. The headlines aren't about celebrities or sports. They're about conflict, uncertainty, and an economy beginning to shake. Most people think a financial crisis starts with banks. In reality, it starts with fear, and fear spreads faster than any market crash. Your salary might look impressive, but one simple question matters. If your income stopped today, how long could you keep living the same life?
Modern lifestyles often create the illusion of wealth. But expensive possessions don't always mean financial security.
Every year, everyday expenses quietly become more expensive. For many families, income rises slowly while costs move much faster. The real danger isn't one bad headline. It's when multiple problems begin happening at the same time. History reminds us that periods of global tension can create financial uncertainty long before ordinary people realize what's changing.
Around the world, geopolitical risks continue to influence trade, energy prices, and investor confidence. Inflation doesn't ask permission. It quietly reduces what your money can buy, one purchase at a time. For millions of households, financial pressure isn't dramatic. It's slow, constant, and exhausting.
Every major economic crisis is connected. When one system fails, the effects spread much farther than most people expect.
Money feels safe while everything works normally. The real test comes when access becomes difficult. A small emergency fund may handle everyday problems, but major financial shocks require much stronger preparation.
This isn't about predicting disaster. It's about building enough financial freedom to have choices, no matter what the future brings.
History has one lesson it repeats again and again. Every major crisis changes ordinary people's lives much faster than they expect. When inflation spirals out of control, money doesn't disappear overnight. It simply buys less every single day. During severe economic stress, people don't sell because they want to. They sell because survival comes first.
One of the biggest financial myths is believing your money is always available whenever you need it. Whenever you need it. Throughout history, financial restrictions often arrive suddenly, leaving almost no time for preparation.
The opportunity to prepare usually exists long before the crisis, but disappears shortly after it begins.
Different countries, different decades, yet the financial pattern has often looked surprisingly similar.
Saving money is important. Protecting its purchasing power is even more important. Most crises begin quietly. By the time everyone notices, the easiest opportunities have already disappeared. Financial security isn't just about money. It's about giving yourself the freedom to make better decisions under pressure. A strong financial foundation is built through preparation, not prediction.
You cannot control global events, but you can control how prepared you are before they arrive.
Every dollar saved today creates more choices for tomorrow. Financial resilience is built one step at a time. The goal isn't to live in fear. The goal is to become financially strong enough that uncertainty no longer controls your future. Every financial comeback begins with one decision. Stop money from leaking into things that don't build your future. High-interest debt is the fastest way to stay poor. Eliminating it is often the highest guaranteed return you can earn.
Before chasing investment returns, build an emergency fund that can protect you from life's unexpected setbacks.
Wealth is rarely created overnight. It grows through consistency, patience, and disciplined investing. Every unnecessary purchase has a hidden cost. The future wealth you gave up to own it today.
History shows that markets recover over time. Those who stay disciplined often benefit the most.
Preparation doesn't stop crises from happening. It simply gives you the confidence to face them without panic. When everyone else is driven by emotion, disciplined investors focus on long-term opportunity instead of short-term fear. True financial security comes from diversification, not depending on a single paycheck or a single asset.
The strongest people aren't those who predict the future. They're the ones who prepare for multiple possibilities. Financial knowledge becomes even more powerful when it protects the people you care about.
Financial freedom isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about creating enough stability that fear no longer controls your decisions.
Small, consistent actions repeated over many years often produce extraordinary results. The future will always be uncertain, but your preparation doesn't have to be. Start building today, stay consistent, and give yourself the greatest financial advantage: freedom to choose your next move.